Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Rules of engagement. Always say, haha, check your camera before you load your videos. I'm so sorry. In the last video what happened was there was a technical issue, like always, yeah. Not like always. Yeah, so what happened was I was rolling and I was writing the powers of two, and suddenly what happened was I realized, I said, hold on. I said, looks like the camera is rolling the other way. So I had to sort of stop my video and move back again to just to see that whether it's coming horizontally or vertically. So to cut it short, let's move forward to the next one before I carry on telling you more stories. Yes, so where were we? We were on powers of two, and oh my god, I got right that again. That's the third time now. It's good. Keep on doing practice. And once you start doing practice, not practice. All right. So yeah, the one way I told you, we did it till 2 power 9, which is 512. So that was the one way of doing powers of 12. Now, as I discussed it before, if you are in an exam and there's no calculator, there's no rough worksheet, bits and pieces, you have to work it out in your brain. So that will happen with practice. So supposedly 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So furthermore, once I move forward, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the same amount, 4. That's going to be 8. So now 2 power 4, I'm going to add the same number. It's going to be 16. You see the pattern? The pattern is what is happening is I'm adding 4, same, it goes into 8, and then I'm going to add same, 8, that'll become 16. Then, so 2 power 5, so as I know I'm working in my brain, I know that 2 power 4 is 16. And then suddenly in my brain, I have to work it out, or how I'm going to work this out. So you have to add the same number twice. So 16 plus 16 will give you 32. So that is how you work that inside your mind. If you haven't got any calculator, it's not a problem. It won't happen the first time. You will keep on practicing it and revising it and practicing it. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm putting new words now. So as I said, I like that word though. Yeah. So 2 power 6 is 32. No, it's not. What is it? 64. Yes. So similarly, 32 plus 32 is equal to 64. That's our 2 power 6. And then we will add 64 plus 64. That will be our 2 power 7. That will be 128. So if you see the pattern, what is happening is, if you don't understand, it's fine. Just keep on practicing. Add the same value twice, you'll get the next power. Add the same value twice, you'll get the next power. So 2 power 3, add the same value twice. So that's 16. 2 power 5, add the same value twice, and you'll get 2 power 6, that's 64. So you see, it is going in a sequence. So now this is from where it gets more harder, but there is a good news and a bad news. Good news is at the moment we are doing class C. So in class C subnetting, you will not be needing 2 power 10, 2 power 11, something like that. So I'm going to leave it till here. Now, the next concept I really want to talk to you about is this is an octet for class C, as you can see. So that's
I'm telling you that we're watching killer whales. Killer whales are aren't dangerous, Dad.
Yeah?
Killer whales never dangerous.
Yeah? Okay,
Killer whales
fine.
aren't dangerous.
Yeah, please, yeah, please close my door.
Why? High practice in music.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Molly gets distracted.
Yes. Right. So, yeah, sorry, my son came in. So, yeah, he's telling me regarding killer whales. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm quite into them as well. Right. So, we are in the octet and we got these 8 values here. So, let's do this way. I'm moving from left to right, remember. So, if I move from left to right, what is this in class C? So, this is da 255.255.255.255, and this is called /32. So this one is called /32. Now if I move on to this one, that is called /31. So that's value number 7, remember. We're moving from this side. So value number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that there is a sequence which is going on. If you don't understand it, it's completely fine. Just to let you know. So that this one, value number 8 is /32, and that's the subnet mask or the CIDR notation for /32. Now, once you carry on doing /31, there'll be a CIDR notation with this as well. So I'm gonna just to give you a brief taste of the notations. That is why we are doing all of this, because this is really important for you to subnet, and these questions will be everywhere. So apart from visual questions and MCQs, or if you are doing configurations, which is in the new CCNA, it's all about configurations. And to be honest with you, if you will get a chance to work in the IT field, or as a network support engineer, or as a cybersecurity engineer in different places, you'd be troubleshooting a lot of networks, and there, or you'd be designing networks, because I've done troubleshooted, I have troubleshooted, seriously, right. um, yeah, so I've been doing troubleshooting. I have troubleshooted some networks, and I have designed them as well. But configurations are so important because they really help you a lot to build networks. And it's like a programming instruction that you give to your software, network software, that you need to be like this. So, I mean, once you are in the field, you're doing configurations, making tunnels, VPN tunnels. There'll be a lot of configurations going on. So that /31 is 254. So you see the difference. /32 has got 255 here. So now /31, which is this one, value number 7, /31, it has got 254. So I just want you to remember this part. This is really important because that /32 mask there. That's another thing I need to tell you, whether it's being used or not. That's a big question. So at the moment, that /32 mask, that's a /31 mask. I think /31 mask is being used in a lot of Cisco devices. Not a lot. Some sort of I think Cisco Nexus switches do /31. There's some other routers and switches, I think, where it might be used. But at the moment, just to keep it short, that's /31, that's. So that's 2 to the power What? What is going to be this? 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1. Yeah, so I don't want to confuse you in that concept. So according to values of 2, I'm telling you that it's going to go like this. But there's always a but. And that but is, it has another variation as well. So as you see, those 8 values, they're not really 2 value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are actually 2 value 7, 2 value 8, 2 value 9. They work this way. So in the next video, I'm going to let you know just to see that's the cider notation, or the subnet mask for /32. That's the cider notation there. Block notation, that's called block notation. That's block notation 31. So I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta, bye-bye.